how to use the WalkPay app. Once you open up the app for the first time, it's going to take some setting up and getting used to. Now, from the main screen, you will see daily. So here you can extract specific energy depending on how much you have walked. In the top right corner, you will see your current earnings. So how much energy do you have and how much does it equate to? Now, here, if we scroll down, you will also be able to see that you can claim energy for different tasks and also days. If I click on claim here, it's going to claim the energy and it's going to immediately convert it to however many dollars you have earned. And also, if you walk 10 steps, you get 30 energy, so on and so forth. You can read through the amounts right here. You also have the options of drinking water. So here, if you drink water, you will again get energy. And if you enable notifications, it is going to be plus 2000 energy. Okay, so that is just the main part. So I'm going to close this. Okay, so after this ad break, we can proceed to the second task bar here at the bottom, which again will give you tasks which you need to complete, and they will also get you energy. So we have energy blasting. So here is basically a mini game. Lucky spin the wheel, how many steps you have walked. You can increase the limit from 10,000 to 20,000. And also the very last option is going to be your wallet. So here's where you will be able to cash out. You can get Amazon gift cards. You can get different withdrawal methods as well, which you can use here. You can see them at the bottom. So that's basically how it works. You walk, you earn energy, and then you convert the energy into cash essentially. So I hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.